To use Chegg for writing essays and papers. Well, to use Chegg writing for essays and papers is pretty simple. Now, unfortunately, I was unable to find that particular option within the application, so you'll have to use the web browser. So head into your web and head into chegg.com, chegg.com. So once you head into it, make sure you're signed into your account. If you tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of your screen, it will take a while to load up, but eventually the option should pop up here. So let me show you here. So as you can see, tap on the hamburger icon at the top left and you can see study tools option, and you can see writing as well. So if you tap on study tools, you can see visit writing center. So you can see the writing center and you can also find the writing right here. You can tap on it. Once you head into the writing page, what you can do is you can either scan. So tap on start new assignment, and then you can either scan if you have written the essay or your writing. You can upload a file by taking a picture, or you can paste in your file here. Then you can see various options. You can check citations, then you can select expert check, then you can also select plagiarism here, and you can see the grammar checking as well. So it's pretty simple and easy to use. All you gotta do is once you tap it in, you want to type in and you want to select the style and you want to tap it on, then it'll be automatically set up there. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.